Right. This is what is NVL, and this function we want to use when we want to use mains. Whenever we need to, to perform some arithmetic operations with null. So there we will be get some problem, that null expression problem, we got it here. So to overcome this problem, in Oracle we have one predefined function was there here, that was we called a NVL function. And this is, I just explained on yesterday here. And here 2 points should be carefully identified here. So if expression 1 is null, then it returns expression 2 value. If it is not null, then it returns expression 1 value only. So first I need to show you how this null function will work. Okay. Now come back and see your database now. So as usual, you need to log in with your account. So page size and go for lines. Okay. Then so come out and see this. Yesterday one requirement we have here to display your name, number, name, salary, commission, and also salary plus commission we need to find out, but unfortunately the total salary it was showing us nothing. Okay, that I need to overcome this. And before that, first NVL function, how it was work you can see. And this is the syntax for calling a function. Okay, so select function name of your passing values. My first expression 1, if I send null, and expression 2 is 0 from dual. So what is dual? In the next topic I will explain to you what is what. Now if I send this as yesterday explanation, what we called your expression 1 is null, it returns what now? 0, and C, it returns 0. And now if I was given here the 100, and it returns 100 only, because expression 1 place is what now? Null. Okay. Suppose in your expression 1, if there is a no null, have a 0, what it will be written? 0 only returns. If your expression 1 is having here, okay, 50, what it was returns? 50 only returns. So that means whenever expression 1 is null, then only expression 2 value will be returning. If expression 1 is not null means it's having some value, and which value was there in the position of expression 1, that value only return us. Is it clear now? But don't ask this question to anyone. Okay now? What is the question? Sir, expression 1 is null. If I keep expression 2 also null. Yesterday I said one pointer. So many, that means intelligent people are asking. Okay? If you ask this question, they will slap you. Okay na? Don't ask. Because if you are giving expression 2 also null, what is the problem? What is your output? Null. So problem solved or not solved? That's why don't ask this question anyone. Okay na? Because what we said yesterday, our problem is null. Null I need to avoid. But here null is avoided? No. Still it is created. That's why don't send expression 2 place null. If you are sending null, there is no use of NVL function. There is no meaning of NVL function. Got it my point now? Write down below. These examples first take it, 1 or 2. Then how I can use it, you will get some idea right now. Okay, right. Then the above problem solution. Okay, here observe. And this is our syntax query we written in the last session. Okay, this is actually what we written there. So now everything will be same here. Okay, but here my problem is at the commission column. My problem is not at the salary, at the commission. So that's why in which column your null existing is there, on that column you apply your NVL function and keep that null column in the expression one place, and in expression two place user defined value you can give it 0. And here, is it mandatory to give a 0? Means no, it's your wish. You can give 100, 200, 300, 500, 1 lakh, 1 crore. But actually what it was happened, my Smith is not taking any commission. So that's why not taking any commission means what now? Nothing, 0. Okay. So that is the reason I'm giving 0. But even though you can take here 1000, 100, whatever you have taken, that value will be written. Okay. So that's why here I'm taking 0, because this employee is not taking any commission as per your table. Okay. So now what it was happening, sir? Now this expression carefully identified. Now Smith employee salary how much here? 800. Then 800 will substitute here. 800 plus which function here? NVL of the Smith employee commission is what now? Null. Nothing. Nothing is null. Null comma 0. This is what internal execution. Now the next level, what it was happened here, 800 plus what it was written, this entire function will returns how much? 0 returns. Then 800 plus 0 is equals to 800. So this is your final output. Okay. So now let me come out and see this. I just go to take this one and I'm going to execute it now and see. So now you got it up? Yes. 800 plus 0, 800, 3000 plus 0, 3000. Okay. But you can see if I'm giving here in place of Smith, I'm giving what? Ln. So Ln, see what it was happening, you can see. Ln 1600, 300, 1900. So that means what happening here? Ln commission how much? 300. Now substitute here in this expression. Ln salary 1600 plus NVL function of Ln commission 300. 300 comma 0. Then what next it will come? 1600 plus. Now this entire function returns how much? 300. Why? Because your expression 1 is not null. That's why expression 1 value only returns. Then 1600 plus 300 is equals to 1900. So that you got it. Okay, na? So if it is not null, as usual values will take it. If it is a null, 0 will take, which was given by user. Understand now? Yeah. This is what the NVL function, one advantage, and especially we are using in this situations. Got it my point now? Right on below. Solution you can take and take output also. Write your solution plus output. And here you just keep it here 800.
कुमरे
Okay. And next one, in your latest versions of Oracle, we have a one more extension function. The function is called as here NVL2 of expression 1 comma expression 2 comma expression 3. This is one more the latest function in our latest version NVL2. Okay, now we can see. So this function simply we called as guys here. It is an extension of NVL function. Okay, now first point. Okay, and this function is having three arguments are expression 1 comma expression 2 comma expression 3. Okay, but this function how it was working, sir? Okay, as per your condition, now we can see if expression 1 is null, then return expression 3 value. Expression 3 value means what now? It is a user defined value. So how much we given, that will be written for us. And second one we called as here, if expression 1 is not null, then it return expression 2 value. So it means what now? It is also user defined value how much we given. So that means here expression 1 value will not be countable here. Only expression 2 and 3 values written. If it is null, 3. If it is not null, 2. Okay. So this is the nature of your NVL function or NVL2 function. Okay, now we will see some examples on this. Let me come out and see. For example, let me go for NVL2 of, suppose expression 1 is null, 200, 3, 200. As per our definition, what it was returns? Expression 3 value, how much? 200 will returns. Suppose your expression 1 is not null, it's a 0, then 100 is returns. Suppose your expression 1 is called 500, then 100 only returns. Understand na? Right down below. Okay, and take one more example, the query example. Write a query to update all employees commission, update all employees commissions in a table based on the following conditions. Based on the following conditions are,
Right.
what is my first condition here? If
In a table based on
employee commission, okay, if employee commission is null, then update those employees commission as a 600, and then update those employees commissions as a 600. Second condition, if employee commission is not null, okay, then update those employees commission as commission plus, as a commission plus 300, as commission plus 300.
मत अरे कितना मत बजा
So can anybody try this? Huh? Can you try? Yes or no? So try it. I will give 5 minutes time. Online students also do this one assignment. Take 5 minutes. I think very simple. Here there is no any two queries, only one query. Okay, na? Question, all of you understand now? Question. Online students, you also try this. The conditions understand and keep it that. By using of NVL2 function, use karo. Online students, use NVL2 function, what we explain now, and do this task. NVL2 function first understand, and with the help of that, these conditions are in NVL2 function how to implement. So 600 where you want to keep in the expression, commission plus 300 where you want to keep in the expression. 1, 2, 3. 3 expressions are there. Okay, na? So set your expressions values. Expression 1 is what? Expression 2 is what? Expression 3 is what? Set. Question read 1 to 2 times read. Online students, you also use chat box. Open your chat box and write. NVL2 function check and write down. Last 3 minutes. Complete. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. Online students, anybody? Last people. Completed? Online students, you also try it here. Online students, only one person. Remaining people, try all of you. Only one student tried. Remaining people online. Okay, your time up. How many people written? Raise your hand. Okay. The blue shirt. Come. Come this side. Come this side. Next, black shirt. Come. Last one. Last. Raise your hand. Come. This is. Mm. 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 Your question and answer, correct? Mm. Question, read. Once again, read your question and write that logic. क्या लिखा यार आपने? गो लिख कर आओ पूरा सेंटेंस फॉर्म कर यार, क्वेरी लिखना है. So no one, okay, not focusing on a question. Come. No. What yeah? Huh? That lines checks yellow. Come. Last one. Green, huh? No. Huh? Wrong. Go. Next. Cap. You can. White. Right. Check your question. Logic is correct, but there is some problem is check question. Huh? Check once. White shirt. Last. White shirt. Your shirt is what? You. White shirt. White shirt, huh? Come. Come here. Come. Why? Tomorrow we are going to interviews, na? Why are you fear? Come. Last one. You. No. Pink. What is this? Go. Check your question. Black. Chimney. Red t-shirt. Huh? This is notes. Go. No, two conditions not necessary here. Okay, na? So only in one condition we need to write. Okay, right. Check all of you. Check. No. अरे यार, हाँ कैसा है ऐसे? Red. No. See, no means Sudhakar sir not leave. Huh? This is first time I'm leaving all of you girls, but second time I'm not leaving. Okay? Here? No. ऐसे कैसे यार? No. Huh? Okay, tomorrow I will give one interview to you. Huh? Girls, one opportunity I'm giving. How many people will go? Opportunity, yeah? Reference I'm giving. Are you ready to go? No, huh? Yes, sir? Then why you are not coming now? Interview, at least Sudhakar sir somewhat little bit know it for this almost 20 sessions or whatever. Their interview person is an unknown person sitting. How you will have a fear if you want to talk to unknown person? Okay? Here itself you have to practice like this, how to talk unknown person, how to face interviews. If you're doing some works in this classroom, it will take some practice. And don't fear, I'm not beat you. It's not that rights I don't have it, okay? But at least you are trying, I can happy for that. You are tried, you understand subject, that's it. Come. See, this is what dare and dashing boy. He will say, I will come, sir. Right. Good. That's okay, conditions, but no need to write 3. Okay, na? I want it with one condition. I think so many people, they didn't identify what is my question. I think so. Once again, you read from the starting to ending, all of you. Which one is correct? This one or this one? This is not correct, huh? Check. Check. Okay. Only one boy here. He written correct way. Appreciate. Claps. Good. Now you get some fighting. Anybody?
Yeah.
Girls. I want appreciation, sir. Come on, boys.
मम्मी जाएगी, मम्मी निन्ने आओ.
In this two, which one is right? Sure. Why? Then why you are writing this? Good. Second person. Claps. Good. So, as Joe, that means I understand that for your batch purpose, you need to give some inspire words. Then only you will get some inspire. Which one? First or second? Then why are you writing this? Reason, tell me. Why you are writing this? So that means you are copied from someone. ऐसे मत करना यार. आपका genuine कॉपी पेस्ट करने से आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर. I think you also copied. Honestly, swear. Oh my God, come here. I really happy for this. Can you explain this? No. Why you taken this one? You taken this one? Why the two things? Mm, 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 mm. But sorry, you're wrong. Check. You appreciated, but wrong your answer. Right? Go. Girls. Very good. Come on. Come. That's the spirit. See, you are writing right or wrong, none of the matter, but at least you tried. That was somewhat good for us. This is correct, but to make it as one query. Okay, na? But you written two. No. Conditions are two. But we have only one query in this. Okay, na? So just check it out. Okay? So many people, I think they're just going to taking the previous example reference they taken. But this example is different task. Okay? Why are you writing all of your select command? I don't understand that. Here, which command I said? Array, this much clarity I was given. Write a query to update. Everybody they written select. Select command used for only displaying of data. Update command updating data in the table. Okay, na? So first thing is your query is a update. And now so many people they written two times. Maybe they're thinking like that. Ye hoga to o hoga to ye. Either like a multiple choices. In interview there is no multiple choices. Okay, na? That's why question update query. Here conditions are different. But if you see these conditions carefully, if you read once again, it is having in a one line statement only. If it is null, so and so, not null, so and so. Okay, na? So now, see, question very big, but answer is very small. Now let me come out and see. I think online students also at least they tried here. You people also, everyone select command. Sumit, you did, but small problem is there in that. Check it out. No. Arshita, you also did, but wrong. Check it out once. Okay. Ankita. Okay. Yeah. Good. Ankita, that is correct answer. But the values you are taking, your own values you taken. Yes or no? Okay, right. Good. Next one. Arshita, no. Okay, so one person, I think Ankita, at least one girl. Ankita, you are girl, na? No. Actually, as of now, I felt like this. No one girl. Okay, one boy only written. So what about you? Okay, but your privacy you don't tell. I understand. Yeah, so many boys are there. No problem. So I understand that, but you are whatever, girl or boy, good. Okay, online one student, offline two students. What here? Sudhakar sir disappointed here. ऐसे कैसे? Now see question. That's why see queries are nothing only. I already. That's why initially we started our DDL queries, how to write syntax formula, DML query, DQL. Okay, na? So why initially I started with the queries? Because queries, if you understand the syntaxes, you know, you remember, task is very easy for you. Okay. First of all, I want to check in my table. Okay. Commission. What I said, I want to update actually here. I don't want to select. I want to update. So actually, the few people commissions are nulls are there. So these are all are nulls. Yes or no? That already we know. So in what I'm saying in my condition first one, if the employee commission is null, there I want to update the how much? 600. So that means wherever empties are there, those empties I want to fill with the how much? 600 through I need to fill in that place. If the employee commission is not null, okay, how much you need to fill? Commission plus 300. So already commission 300 is there. So commission 300 already existing some value. Then you need to add additionally how much? 300. So 300 plus 300, 600. 500 plus 300, 600. 1400 plus 300, 60. Okay, 1700. And next 0 plus 300, how much? Okay, na? So this is what our requirement actually. Okay. Now, so now we can go to see how, which command I said? Update. EMP said, see how much easy here. Which column I need to update? Commission. Already update syntax, you all of you know. I already explained. Commission is equals to, I need to update. What is my condition? NVL2 of, my first column, I'm going to updating which column data? Commission column data. Based on commission only, commission column data I'm changing. So commission comma, what next? Commission plus 300 comma 600. Because you all of you know, first your expression 1 is null, returning 600, expression 3 value. If expression 1 is not null, returns expression 2 value. 2 value how much? Commission plus 300. Okay. And here I am not using where class. Why? Because I want to update all employees. In my question I said update all employees commissions. So that's why don't use a where class. If I'm asking a specific employee, then use a where class. So now you can see how many rows updated? 14 rows. And after that you just come back and see. Okay, now you can see wherever nulls are there, the nulls with the updated, what is this? I think this is null. This is not null. Okay. So these are updated here. And remaining, say 0 plus 300, 300. Next 14 plus 300, 17. Okay. 500 plus 300, 8. 300 plus 300, 6. So wherever commission is not null, their commission plus 300 updated. Where is your commission is null, that all null commissions people are updated with the 600. Analysis understand now? Okay. Now next time, can you right now? Got it now? Idea how to do? Okay, right. So these are what we called as guys here. What is the solution for this? Right. So now this is NVL2 functions are how we can use and working here. Okay. And the next one, very important operator. What is the last operator for this? Like. So now we can take like. So basically like operator, okay, where we want to use okay. So whenever we need to fetching your data based on, okay, based on character patterns wise. Which wise? Character patterns wise. So that means Here I don't want to write my entire the value of the expression. Based on my requirement, based on one character pattern, only one character patterns, we can go to fetching entire the data. For example, suppose here I am going to ask, don't write, just subject, concept complete, understand, because I will give some assignments to you to fulfill those. My question is what now? Write a query to fetch. Fetch means read, retrieve. Fetch employees details, whose name, if I was given, whose name starts with the S character. Okay, na? S a character. So maybe in my table there are 1 lakh people names are there, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 1 crore. Okay, but I don't mind it and I don't know which employee name starts with S character, N character, A character, B character, I don't know. But my requirement is what now? In your table, how many number of rows and what type of names are there, I don't mind. But my requirement to fulfill what now? Whose name starts with the S. For example, if I want to write this and I have in my table, there are some names are there. For example, you have some names like a Smith, like you have a Suresh, like you have a Suman, like you have a Scott, like some names are there. Okay. And these all 4 names are starts with which character? S character. Okay. So now that only starting character, but in my names, I don't have it only S character. Along with S character, some other group of characters also there. Understand now? But in my condition, I'm just using S character. So my pattern, what is my pattern here? S is my pattern. I don't know. S means S-M-I-T-H. I don't want to know entire the spelling. I don't want to know entire the spelling or entire the name, what type of characters, how many characters are there, I don't mind it here. I want it only the thing is what now, whether the name is started with the S or not. Okay, but remaining after S, remaining characters, what it was there, I don't mind. Okay, the spelling is what, name is what, I don't know, but I just want it whose name starts with the S. In that cases, like operator is very, very helping us. Okay, na? So we are going to be comparing our data with the character patterns wise. We are comparing. We are not comparing entire name wise. We are not comparing entire name wise. We are comparing just a character patterns wise. Okay, in that way, like must be used. So what is the definition now? Write down. So comparing a specific character pattern. Comparing a specific character pattern wise. Okay. So now my question is, write a query to fetch employees details whose name starts with S character. So immediately how we are going to be writing this, don't write, observe. One by one, after explanation, one by one points I will give it, then take. How to write now? For example, select star from EMP. Which column I have to compare? E name like, open your single quote. Yes, I just give it. Okay, now? So because my starting character must be yes. So S I was given. Okay, because that I know that I was given. Okay. But the problem is what now? When we are sending this request to my Oracle, how it was comparing this S means it doesn't comparing here because of reason. In your name expressions, just tell me you have only S character? No. For example, Smith, you have only S? No. Along with the S, we have some other characters. What are those? M-I-T-H. Suresh, U-R-E-S-H. Suman, U-M-A-N. Scott, C-O-T. So that means if I'm giving just S, your request is not considered by your Oracle. Oracle will not accept your request, and it was showing sorry, there is a no rows. What it was written to us, as per your conditional character, I didn't find out any name in your table. Okay. So why, sir, your Oracle server say as a no rows found? Because of reason, your expressions not only as character, along with as character, some other characters also there. It means what you should do? The remaining characters in Smith, MITH, Suresh, URESH, Suman, UMAN, Scott, COTT. So the remaining group of characters also you need to represent. But tell me, in your condition, yes character are you represented? That's okay. That is representing with the yes. But my question is, the remaining group of characters, is there any representatives we have taken there? No. I'm taking only in my conditions what? Yes only. But there's no any representator which will represent the remaining group of characters. That is what, sir? Question mark. Understand na? So that is the reason these characters are user is not represented in their condition. That's why your Oracle will say, sorry, no rows like that, which name is having only one S character. Understand na? Then how I can overcome this problem, sir? It means that there is some wild card operator, sir, we have. Okay na? Right on, next point. When we use or when we work with like operator, we should follow the following. We should follow the following wild card operators. Wildcard operators are first one, percentile. So percentile, what it was tell us? Okay na? It was represent, it tell us, it represent the remaining group of characters. It represent the remaining group of characters after selected character, in the expression. Okay, so once again you just understand, it represent the remaining, okay, what I'm saying here, the remaining group of characters after selected character in the expression. Now, what is your selected character? Yes, that SOK starting letter, yes, it will be identified. The remaining group of characters are there now? Yes or no? So the remaining group of characters will be representing with the help of percentile. Okay, so that means what I want to show? Yes, what? Percentile. So here the point is, yes is nothing but starting character, okay, but not only starting character, after yes character, some more characters also there. That what it is I don't know, but I'm telling to whom? Oracle. I'm telling to Oracle, first character only yes, but not only yes, after yes there are other characters also there. That type of names are there in your table, bring it. Understand now? So that is yes, and percentile is representing remaining group of character. In Smith, remaining group of characters what? MITH. Is nothing but what? Percentile. So in Suresh, URESH, this is remaining group of characters. Represent what? Percentile. So UMAN, Suman, UMAN, remaining characters. Represent what? Percentile. So Scott, COT. So the percentile means what now? In each and every expression, after selected your character, whatever the lefting characters are there, whatever the left character or remaining character, balance characters, whatever it was there, those balance or balances characters will be representing what now? Percentile. So then we are sending the request like this, then my Oracle can understand that, okay, so you have a some yes starting, but along with yes some other characters also there. Then it will be searching, is there any name like that? Yes, there. What is that? Smith, Suresh, Suman, Scott. So that answer will return to client application. Now it was saying what now? Rows are found. Rows are found. That means it was showing some what? Result. Is it clear? Percentile why I am using? Okay. Next. Suppose this is one explanation about this query. Next one. One more example. Don't write. Observe. Write a query to display employees. Okay. I'm asking like here, whose name is having suppose 4 characters. Whose name is having 4 characters? Those people I want it now. Okay. For example, you have these characters along with this. Okay. Smith you have, Suman, Suresh, Scott. In between I'm using some names, sir. Okay, what I'm using? Word. Some name I'm giving King, and some name I'm giving here fraud. This is some table list. Who you want it? Whose name is having 4 characters? That people I wanted. But 4 characters, here just I'm telling 4 characters, but I'm not telling like starting character, yes, why, I'm not giving that. Okay. So just I'm telling 4 characters, but the characters may be anything. See, word is a 4 characters, but starting character is what? W. King is a 4 characters, but starting character K. Fraud, F. So different names with different spellings, but I want it 4 character people data. Okay. So in this case, how I can use it, sir? Okay, I can't use percentile here. Okay, percentile only after selected character, remaining character will be represented. But a selected character, what it is, I don't know. What is the selected character here? S R, W R, K R, F R. Did you mention any selected character in your question? No. Your interview person is not asking any question here. That means character is not given. So now what we want to do in this cases, which character that if you don't know how to fetch my data based on which character that I don't know, then there you can use one more wildcard operator that is called a underscore. Which one? Underscore. Underscore, what it was saying, sir, means that underscore we are using, okay, it counts, okay, it counts, okay, a single character in the expression. Okay, na? It counts a single character in the expression. That means every underscore will count how many characters? 1 character only. Is it clear? So now how to write my query? Any guessing? Come on. Select star from EMP where E name like of 4 underscores. Very good. 1 underscore counting 1 character. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes. I'm sending this request. When I'm sending this request, what should be output here? Out of these people, word will come to you, king will come to you, fraud will come to you. Is it clear? But still here, if I send my request like this, again it will show no rows. Again it will show no rows. Why, sir? Because there is some reason. What is the reason? Here are you given 4 underscore? That's okay. But every underscore to underscore, what you left? Space. And in database, space is also countable. So that's why it doesn't accepting this. So when we are using underscores in my expression, don't left any spaces and don't leave it also. Okay, don't give any gap. So now I want to fill this like, okay, now how many here? 4. Okay, then it will be finding your request and giving some what? Result. Okay, and the result is working fraud. Out of this, only these names came outside. Is it clear? This is underscore. So these are the two symbols we called as in our database wildcard operators we called. And these operator especially we are using along with the like only. Other than like operator is not, any other operators are not supported. Okay, right. Then after I will go the syntax how to use this. What is the syntax for this here? Where you have to give column name, then after like, open your single quotes compulsory, then you need to send a wildcard operator. Okay, then after your close this. Next, what is this here? Character pattern, character pattern. Okay, then after you can go for this again wildcard operator. So that means wildcard operator you can use at the both sides. Okay now, and close your single quote. This is your syntax as per your requirement you can use. After syntax, okay, the first example, take this with solution and below explanation also. What is mean by percentile, what it mean by S, how this S and percentile will be divided and how it will be representing here. Huh? Syntax. Here this one also you can take in your notes, because you will be get some clarity on this why we are using percentile. And even though if anybody asks your interviews why you keep percentile here, so you just explain like this, the percentile reasons why we want to use. So today 2 p.m. batch is completed afternoon. So today is the last day for those people, and today is a happen very emotional day. Those people, hmm? And some students are crying. Oh, yeah. So very emotional because 2.5 months, 3 months attachment. Na? Maybe it's few students. Some students क्या होता है हो गया काम चलो. ऐसे kind of mentality some people are there, but all are not like that. Some students are very deeply attaching the faculties and the spending of 2 months or 3 months now. Every day talking and doubts, attachments are ever. So some people are crying. You know who are crying? You know what? Who expected, boy or girl? Boy. Very good. Boys are crying. सोचने के बाद ना. So a boy is crying means that is very heartful. I mean not like that. Okay. Just it means too much attachment. So 2 or 3 boys are crying. I said, why you are crying? Yes. No sir, actually हम लोग non-local students हैं. They are coming from Maharashtra. In Hyderabad, when we came here, sir, very little bit of fear. अरे कैसे रहेंगे, क्या करेंगे, कोई पता नहीं यहाँ पर. I don't know anything. Okay, so this kind of very scarcely we came, sir, here. But once we join in your class and other faculties class, slowly we are making some friendship with you, and we felt that okay, we have someone in Hyderabad for our purpose. So now, अभी आज हो गया है, the batch is completed. So we never see you, sir, next again, and our courses are completed. We are also left from Hyderabad. तो कब मिलेंगे, कैसे मिलेंगे, we don't know. So that's why थोड़ा emotions हो जा रहा हूँ, sir. I said, okay, yeah, no problem. Nowadays, phones are there, yeah, video calls, audio calls are there. And whenever you want to see me, you just video call to me, okay? So I said, yeah, sir, but something is missed, sir. Okay, nothing was missed. You get job, you will get a job, and came back to Hyderabad. Luckily, you got job in Hyderabad only. Okay, now because you know Hyderabad is one of the IT industry's very big location. So luckily, by your luck, you got you got job in Hyderabad only, na, in a year only, na. There is very happy Sudhakar sir here only there. You can come and weekends, Saturday, Sunday, come and we will spend. I said, then, okay, sir, thank you so much. So that was the complete emotions are gone. That means he checked some path. So कैसे मिलना है, क्या करना है, एक पाथ चेक कर लिया उन्हें. तो मैंने जो सॉल्यूशन दिया है ऐसी है. देन ही वाज समवट ओके, मैं साल से दूर नहीं हो रहा हूँ, सो साल से मिलता रहता हूँ. सो ऐसे आई सेड यू कैन कम वीकेंड्स एंड सर डेफिनेटली सर आई विल ट्राई इन हैदराबाद ओनली सर. At any cost I will try in Hyderabad. Maximum I'm trying in Hyderabad only, sir, to get a job. Okay, I said okay, good, yeah, you get a job in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a very excellent place to you. Okay, so very comfort life in Hyderabad, very peaceful life. Yes or no? Definitely you can come. All facilities are there in Hyderabad. Okay, so good, what we called weather, good weather. Food I don't know, that's your wish. Okay, good weather, and I think it's a cost of living not much compared to Bangalore and even the Chennai also. Yes or no? So your living expenditures also very reasonable. Okay, na? So if you getting job here, na, happy. Okay, maybe who say yeah tomorrow maybe you married here only settled. Who say? Yes or no? So this all I was given some information to that people. Then finally those students are, sir, अभी हमको confident आ गया है. मैं said this confident not for this confident keep it on your job. Okay, so that is today 2 p.m. batch is completed successfully, and very emotion. The people, some people, not all people. Okay, na? Right. So these two examples understand. What is wildcard, percentile, and underscores. So how to use understand? Na? Yes, and I stop it. And tomorrow we will see some more different types of patterns we will discuss on tomorrow. Okay, now? Right, yes. So thank you. Thank you so much.
గూగుల్ క్లాస్ కోడ్ ఇది ఫుల్ అయిపోయిందమ్మా. నువ్వు ఒక పని చేయి, అక్కడ ఒక పర్సన్ ఉన్నాడు కదా అడ్మిన్, ఆయన ఒకసారి అడగండి. సార్కి అడిగాము, సార్ ఏం అంటే గూగుల్ క్లాస్ ఫుల్ అయిపోయింది అంటున్నారు, ఇప్పుడు మేము ఏం చేయాలి అని అడగండి. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే మీకోసం మళ్ళీ ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. ఒకసారి అడిగి చెప్పండి ఆయనకి.